All right, today we're gonna bring a pop-up adapter, and this one has a multiple connections for. It's a power outlet pretty much, and it pops out. So right now, we have to set it up. So you have to drill a hole. I'm gonna actually put a description of the actual size that you need to cut out. Now it has one, two, three actually connections. If you guys can see, three power connection with a three-prong connection, but then one side has a actual micro type C USB type C, and then this one is a regular type A USB, so you could charge things. On top of that, you could actually push the actual system down. You push it down and it's flat, stainless steel on the top, so you won't notice that there's anything, but you just pop it in and then you can just pop it out and it automatically pops in and out. Easy to push it in. So when you're done, if you have this if you have a conference room and you want to put something in the center, don't want it eye-catching too much, you want to be discreet about it, this is another way you can do that. So you can just pop it out. You could hear the shocks actually working pretty good. This goes to a main connection to make sure you cut out the exact size. And once this fits in there, you just lock it in. There you go. And then you cap it up. So we're gonna open it up and look how the spring goes. Now here we have two USBs, all right? We have a type A and a type C. Of course, this is not a supercharged station. It still goes up to almost 5 volts. That's pretty much you're gonna get on both of them, all right? Then you have 1, 2, and 3 3-point power, right? That's pretty much what you have. So on the top of it, if you guys can see, stainless steel, beautiful. So when you push it down in your conference room, it stays flat, flush. Then you just push it up and you're ready to go. So let's go ahead and charge something. Plug it in.
Got the same phone.
And there it is.